California nonprofit. Mutual benefit corporations serve a unique purpose in the nonprofit landscape. Unlike charities that serve the general public, these organizations exist primarily to benefit their members, while still operating as nonprofits. A California nonprofit mutual benefit corporation has a legal existence separate from the individuals who start or operate it. Members, directors, and officers enjoy limited liability protection related to their involvement. These organizations can enter into legally binding agreements and take on liabilities without obligating individual members. People typically join these corporations to connect with others sharing similar interests or goals, such as improving a community, completing a project, growing a sport, or simply sharing common interests. While they don't qualify for 501c3 tax exemption, they may be eligible under other sections, like 501c6 for trade associations, 501c7 for social clubs, or 501c8 for fraternal societies. Two key characteristics define these organizations. First, company assets can only be distributed to members if the corporation dissolves, not during active operations. Second, unlike public benefit nonprofits, these entities can have any legal purpose and don't need to be charitable in nature. Their focus must be on member benefit rather than profit generation. California law distinguishes mutual benefit from public benefit corporations in several important ways. Public benefit corporations serve the general public, while mutual benefit corporations operate for their members. Public benefit organizations typically qualify for 501c3 status, whereas mutual benefit corporations fall under different tax exemption categories. When dissolving, public benefit nonprofits must transfer assets to another charity, but mutual benefit corporations can distribute remaining assets to members after settling debts. Additionally, public benefit nonprofits can solicit tax-deductible donations, which mutual benefit corporations cannot. Management of a California nonprofit mutual benefit corporation follows a corporate structure with a board of directors responsible for operations. The board elects officers including a president, secretary, and treasurer. The corporation can have voting members who may elect board members, similar to shareholders in a for-profit company. Alternatively, it can have non-voting members who receive benefits like discounts or event access, but have no governance role. Establishing such a corporation requires several steps. First, assemble your initial board members. Next, develop operational plans, including activities, budget, management structure, and membership requirements. Then, prepare articles of incorporation that meet legal requirements. Submit these documents to the California Secretary of State with the appropriate filing fee. Once approved, draft bylaws detailing management policies, governance structure, and reporting requirements. The articles of incorporation must include specific elements to be legally valid. These include a distinguishable corporation name, a purpose statement clarifying it's a mutual benefit nonprofit, a registered agent for legal documents, membership structure details, and a dissolution clause specifying how remaining assets will be distributed. Filing Form ARTSMU with the California Secretary of State and paying the applicable fee completes the incorporation process. Fundraising for mutual benefit corporations differs significantly from charitable nonprofits. Contributions are not tax-deductible for donors. These organizations typically generate funds through membership dues, sponsorships, events, and service fees rather than donations. If soliciting contributions, they may need to register with the California Attorney General to comply with fundraising laws. Revenue can cover operational costs and future projects, but profits cannot be distributed as dividends during active operation. Unlike public charities, Mutual benefit corporations have more flexibility for lobbying and political activity within legal limits. California nonprofit mutual benefit corporations provide a valuable legal structure for groups focused on member benefit rather than public service. With proper establishment and management, these organizations can effectively serve their members while maintaining nonprofit status and appropriate tax exemptions.